Oh man,
What?
I'm going nowhere.
Like in life?
Well, I mean, my car broke down, so
Oh.
yeah, but also in life.
Well, I think I might have something just for you.
Hey everyone, what's up and welcome to this episode of Good Tech Cheap.
I'm your host, Adrian,
I'm your host, Kevin.
and if you like this video, and if you can, please give it a like, please subscribe, and please click on that notification bell to be notified when we drop a new video.
What we got here is your skeptical older millennial. You know, that's me right here. When I grew up, we powered our scooters by using our feet. That was our deal. You're telling me there's a different way?
It's true. You see, as a younger millennial, I'm very used to scraping my ankles with every scooter I use. That's why I really enjoy electrical scooters, especially when they're layered all around the downtown area for me to walk over.
Yeah, like those bird scooters, right? You know, you stand up and you ride them, and yeah, they're okay. I mean, I just don't see them being that big of a deal.
Well, the bigger deal about this is that this baby, the OKAI Beetle scooter, has a big and soft saddle with a spring underneath, so you can be comfortable while riding through.
Huh. Well, you know what? We're gonna go with this premise that even though I co-host these videos with him, that I have no idea what he's talking about. How does that sound? Good? Not if you agree. I'm gonna assume you did. Okay, here we go.
That would sound great, but the OKAI Beetle, the big box that's been in our living room for the past 2 days.
What big box? Oh yeah, that big box. I thought you were talking about, the other big box.
That's for a different video. Now, this OKAI Beetle scooter is not only very soft to ride on and very easy to ride on, but it also comes with smart app control. Yeah, it's got the OKAI Global app.
So there's an app for that. Well, apps are generally useful, I suppose.
Yeah, this app is actually especially useful.
So you can lock and unlock your scooter through the app.
Pretty much, yeah.
It's kind of useful.
It's pretty neat.
Check the battery level on the app.
Before even getting on. So no getting on your scooter, ready to go out for groceries, and then all of a sudden, oh no, it's out of battery. You just gotta charge it. You just have to check your phone. That's all you have to do. Check your phone the day before.
I'm starting to buy it a little bit, little tiny bit. What else you got? How many ways can you unlock your bike?
3 different ways actually. You have touch control, key control, or app control. Yep.
All right. How powerful is this scooter?
This baby is pretty gosh darn powerful. 560 watts of power. Yeah, that's right. This baby's got 560 watts of power and can go up to 16 miles per hour or 25.5 kilometers per hour.
Gets you up pretty good.
Pretty speedy for a scooter.
I bet it's got cruise control, right?
1-click cruise control to be exact. Oh yeah. You can speed along without having to worry about adjusting your speed all the time. 1-click cruise control, just ride along casual time, no problems.
All right, I got something. All these scooters, like bird scooters and all this stuff. Yeah, I get it. You can sit down. It's more powerful. It has app control. I bet you have to charge it. Like take it inside, plug it in somewhere where you have room. That's always really, really annoying with those sorts of scooters. That's what actually stopped me from even considering buying one of those scooters.
It's very true. You can charge a scooter. You can also give it a swappable battery.
Swappable battery, he says.
Swappable battery that's only 4.5 pounds. So pretty light, actually.
It's a light battery. So let me get this straight. You don't have to take the whole scooter inside your house or your apartment, which could be really difficult to do for like lots and lots of people.
Yeah.
You can just remove the battery, and it's not too heavy. And you take that inside and you charge that.
Yep, and you can take the extra battery, put that in, so while the other battery's charging, you're driving along, no problems.
Well, golly gosh, Adrian, what other tech does it have?
It also has 3 drive modes. You can open up the LED light for day and night mode, making it extra safe for you to drive whatever time of day.
So that's pretty neat. You have a panel on the scooter where you can control things and see what's going on. And then you got the app. Everything kind of interfaces together.
Pretty much, actually. That's a pretty good summary of that point.
I mean, I can't imagine there's anything else. How could there possibly be more?
There is more, in fact. It has 3-layer brake protection, front and drum brake with EBS, bringing you quickly from acceleration to stop in a safe and protective manner. They want to cradle you. They want to protect you.
I gotta tell you, I like the sound of that. We're good. You know what? You've sold me. You don't have to talk about anything else, and I'm pretty certain, in fact, I'm 100% certain, there can't be anything else to talk about.
Too bad, I have more to talk about, cutting you off. So this baby has shock absorbent tires and seating. Yes, the 10-inch tubeless tires provide safe shock absorbent design for you to have a smoother ride. Smooth. It also has a over 100-foot lightning cable, front headlight with 35-meter scope, and a built-in rear light with integrated brake lighting. Yeah.
That's a pretty powerful light for a scooter.
Mm-hmm.
See pretty far off into the distance.
Yes.
Almost like you see your future.
I can't see my future.
Whoa.
The future is a product demo. Shall we?
Why the heck not? We're gonna go over here.
Cool. Comes pre-assembled.
I don't think it's quite ready to take for a ride yet.
Additional assembly required?
A little bit. We'll be right back. Great. We probably are going to need to charge this guy, which is where all these fine items come into play. So let's do that, and then it's time for a test drive.
Hello.
And we got our test pilot, Adrian, right here. Going to go off into the wild blue, well, down here.
Down the street.
On, we are good to go. Right out of the box, it still had half power. We're going to show you how to charge it in just a minute.
Yep.
But some very basic features, as you know. The brakes. You turn that to make it go. It can go up to 16 miles an hour, which is not bad. There is day mode and there is night mode. Night mode will turn on the front light and the brake light. Hey, look, we have an electric scooter here. We're gonna show you how to use that key to turn it on. That's it. Boom.
So we are getting kind of dark right now, so I'm going to switch this over to night mode, which you just need this little button right here. Let's go ahead and press it. Got ourselves a headlight and a tail light in the back.
Well, I gotta tell you, I am rather impressed with the bike, especially getting a chance to try it out. A lot of features, incredibly smooth ride, and you know what? It's quiet.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
It's super quiet.
Yeah, and like I said before, I've actually never ridden an electric scooter before.
He wasn't kidding.
And it was very user-friendly. And
It got the balance pretty quick, and it felt comfortable.
Yeah.
Controls were intuitive.
Yeah, pretty much. The faster I went, the easier it became, but it was super easy to just brake and stop whenever I felt unsafe. Yeah, that's kind of what you want.
You were in control.
I was in control the whole time.
I felt the same way. Thoroughly enjoyable scooter.
Mm-hmm.
A lot of great features, very ergonomic design, and well built. It looks like it's going to be around for a while, which is also appreciated. Some of these scooters that you see out there that are cheap enough, well, they're going to fall apart like after 6 months. So
yeah.
I'm not worried about that. Here, it comes with a warranty.
Ooh.
If you want to learn more about this rather awesome scooter, guess what? There's a link in the description below.
Woo!
Click on that to find out more and to buy one of your own.
Well, that has been this video. Thank you so much to OKAI for sponsoring this video.
Thank you very much.
If you like this video, and if you can, please give it a like. Please subscribe and please click on that notification bell to be notified when we drop a new video. Well, from Los Angeles, California.
That's where we live.
I've been Adrian.
I've been Kevin.
Have a nice day.
Bye, everybody.